Hello guys, today I've got Redmi Headphones Neo and I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones with your iPhone. The first thing that you need to do is opening the settings actually. Here you need to scroll down and tap Bluetooth. Scroll all the way down to the other devices list. Find your headphones and here you need to find this button near this LED light right here. I need to turn off this filter, but it will be in the next video. Hold this button for 5 seconds when your headphones are turned off. Okay, it doesn't work right now, I don't know why. It's turned on. And now it should go, it should go into the pairing mode. When you see this LED light blinking, it means that you are now in the pairing mode. Now in the other devices list, we should see Redmi Headphones Neo. So click them on the list, tap them, and now you're paired. Goodbye.